With folks from Mountain Mentors, and this is a great community organization up here in Summit County. So briefly going over what you guys actually do up here.
So Mountain Mentors is a local mentoring organization. We match youth in the county between the ages of 6 to 16 with adult volunteers.
Nice. So kind of not really a big brother, big sister program, but very in tune with the mentoring aspect.
Yep, absolutely.
And you guys have a really cool event coming up, and I'm excited for this. Now, it's a basketball themed thing.
Definitely. We've got the Harlem Ambassadors coming to town, and they do community fundraisers. They come with professional Harlem basketball, slam dunks, dazzling tricks.
Nice. So the behind the backs, the alley-oops, all of that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And so they're going to be playing a game, and what I think is really cool, they're going to be taking on a group of locals.
Yeah.
So beware, locals, or should I say beware, Harlem Ambassadors, because we've got some real b-ballers up here in the county. So just a few, are there any kind of notable community members that we can see in this event?
Well, Jesse will be playing, so you got to
What
come
else
and
do you
watch
need?
him play.
What else do you need?
County Commissioner Dan Gibbs. We've got Judge Casillas, Scott Vargo, the middle school principal Joel is going to play. A bunch of mentors we have playing. Roman Moore from Crystal 93 is going to be there. And
Nice.
So we got a good crew.
Don't forget Steve Fisher,
Oh, yeah.
snowboarder.
Oh,
Pro
yes.
snowboarder.
There's a big,
Going to
there's a
show
big
us how he does on the
celebrity.
court.
He's gonna do a little flip flop, try a
Yeah.
new sport. Now this is all a fundraiser for Mountain Mentors, so you're definitely encouraging people to get their tickets in advance. It's all going to be happening April 1st. Now that is a Sunday, I believe.
Sunday night.
All right, perfect. Over at Summit High School. So where can people go for their tickets in advance?
So you can call us 970-485-4376, or and there's directions on the message machine on how to get tickets there. You can also come to our office, which is in the medical office building, second floor, suite 210.
Okay.
And you can come and buy your tickets there as well.
And I think it's always smart to get your tickets in advance because you are going to save a couple of bucks if you pre-order them, correct?
Yep.
How much for tickets?
So it's $8 for kids, $10 for adults in advance, 4 and under are free. And then if you buy them at the door, it's $12 for adults and $10 for students.
And let's be real, that's still a pretty cheap ticket price for the entertainment. I mean, if you've seen the Harlem Ambassadors, definitely look them up on YouTube. I was watching some of their clips, and I don't know, I hope you've been doing your training because they look like they practice pretty regularly.
I've been practicing my granny shots and behind the back.
Yeah, nice.
Everything.
That's kind of my move, the between the legs and just cross your fingers and
Right.
close your eyes and hopefully it goes in.
Yeah.
Awesome. So for more information, well, you can always check out summitcares.org for website or for details on Mountain Mentors. But I think this is going to be just such a cool event. April 1st, we're going to see how the Summit County locals stack up against the guys that have been playing for years with the Harlem Ambassadors. So very nice. Well, thank you guys so much. I think
Thank
we
you.
are almost out of time here on Summit Sunrise. So from now, we are going to say goodbye. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, 7:30. We'll let you know what's going on with weather and snow reports, and then our watch and win as well. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.